Hello, Namaste. Welcome to class 3, virtual class conducted by NPABSAN Kaski. It's me, your science teacher. In our previous class, we have learned about the eating habits of animals. Okay, every animals have different types of eating habits. So in our today class, we are going to learn about animals and their surrounding. Okay, so let's learn about the animals with their surrounding. Okay, there are different types of animals. Most of the animals can live in one type of habitats, whereas other animals can live another kinds of habitats. Okay, for example, some animals found in a warm climate or some animals found in a cold climate. Okay, the animals which are found in a cold climate could not survive in a warm climate, but we human beings can survive in all types of climate. Okay, whether it is hot, whether it is cold, that's why we can survive in any kinds of climate. Okay, so for example, the cold climate and warm climate. Okay, there are two types of climate: cold climate and warm climate. Okay, so those animals who live in a cold climate or cold places, they are called cold climate animals. Okay, some example are, for example, polar bear, penguin, snow leopard, yak, etc. are some example of animals who live in a cold climate. Okay, basically they can survive in cold climate because they have what? They have long hair, okay, which helps to protect themselves from cold climate. We human beings wear warm and woolen clothes in a cold climate. When we go to the cold places or Himalayan area, we use more clothes to protect us from cold. Like that, animals which are polar bear, penguin, snow leopard, yak, they have long hair. That helps to protect themselves from cold. Okay, which help them to survive in a cold climate. Understood? Yes. Okay. Whereas polar bear, penguin, snow leopard, yak could not survive in a warm climate. Okay, we can't see these kinds of animals are survive in a warm climate. Understood? So an elephant cannot find in a desert or cannot live in a desert. Desert is very hot place. Okay, desert is very hot place. So different types of animals are seen in summer. Okay, the animals are mostly seen in summer season. When the winter comes, they disappear. Okay, where do you think they go? Do you think all them are die? Okay, most of the animals are seen in a summer season. Some animals hide in a winter season, such as we see snake. Have you ever seen a snake? We have seen snake in summer season, but it hide in a winter season because snake could not like winter season or they could not survive in a winter season. That's why they undergo hibernation. Okay, hibernation means they go for long sleep. Okay, so that is called hibernation. Okay, understood? Okay, these are the cold climate animals. Let's talk about the warm climate animals. Warm climate animals, especially very hot place, such as camel, lizard, are some examples of warm climate animals. Okay, clear about cold climate and warm climate? Okay, let's go more details about animals of cold climate. Okay, alikiti details ma padau about cold climates and warm climates. We'll learn this after cold climate. Okay, so the body of these animals are covered with thick coat of hair, or they have long hair, as I have already told you. Okay, this thick coat keep them warm. Okay, this thick coat of hair or long hair helps animals to survive in a cold climate. Animals of cold climate. Animals of cold climate. Okay, basically they have what? Long or thick okay to keep warm. Why they have long thick here? To keep them warm. Okay, so in very cold place they find very less food. Okay, especially in cold places the plant could not grow properly. Okay, due to the very essential factor, okay, there is less amount of sunlight, there is a less amount of water availability, so that's why the plant could not grow on that place. So the cold place animals what need, or they gain less amount of food. Okay, so they are omnivorous. There is less amount of plant, so they have to kill, they have to eat animals. That's why most of the animals of cold climate are omnivorous. Okay, so polar bear, penguin, snow leopard, panda, etc. are the example of cold climate animals. Okay, so let's talk about the desert animals, that is hot climate or warm climate. Desert animal. Desert animals. Okay, desert is a dry land mostly covered with sand. It is very hot place. Okay, so there are only a few plants like cactus, optinium are some example of plants which are found in a desert place. Okay, so some animals are found in such place too. Okay, so what is very important for other animals which are live in a desert? Because there is a scarcity of water, there is a lack of water. Understood? So in desert there is very few amount of water, so animals and plants are also few in there. Okay, how can these animals can survive in a this desert place, very hot place? Okay, so basically they survive because of their habitatness, their natureness. For example, desert animals is camel. Okay, camel is known as the sheep of desert. Okay, so camel can survive in a desert because they have a hump in their back which store water and food for a long period of time. Okay, so let's talk about the plants and animals. Why they cannot survive in desert? Because there is extremely hot, the climate is very hot and there is a lack of water. Plant and animals need water to survive. If there is a lack of water, if there is scarcity of water, how could they survive? Okay, if we human beings also go there in desert places, then we also feel very difficult to survive in that climate, because due to the lack of water and ability of plants and animals. That is the main reason we found very few plants and animals in what? Desert climate. Okay, so animals like camel, certain types of lizards can only live in a desert. Okay, lizards, camel and lizards only live in a desert. Other animals we could not find in a desert animals. Okay, so they can drink lot of water if available and store it. Okay, camel can store the water in their hump. Okay, due to that camel can survive only on a desert. But we can't see camel in a cold place also. Okay, if we bring camel from desert to cold places, then the camel could not survive because camel do not have thick and long hair. Okay, we human beings can survive at any places wherever we go because we have that adaptation ability. Okay, we wear lots of warm and woolen clothes in a winter season or in cold places, and we wear cotton and thin clothes in hot places like in Tarai places or desert. Okay, so basically in desert during daytime there is an extremely high temperature, other animals could not survive, and in night time very extremely low climate or low temperature, Okay, at daytime they have very extremely high temperature, and at night time the extremely low temperature. Okay, -°C they have the temperature at night. So that's the reason, main reason other animals could not survive in deserts. Okay, so let's move on to some animals do not appear all year around. Okay, some animals are seasonal. It's like the plants. Okay, we human beings can live or alive for many years, but some animals could survive only for few seasons. Let's talk about that kinds of animals. Okay, some animals do not appear all around the year. Some animals could not appear all around year. Okay, so what are they? Let's talk. Some animals appear in one season and disappear in other season. Okay, there are various types of season. Okay, season are basically 3 months. Okay, so animal can live only when there is a suitable temperature and condition. Okay, so frog, snake, lizard, snail, etc. are all not seen in cold season. These are the only seen in summer season. Let's write frog. Okay, write down frog, snake, snail, etc. are those animals, they are seen only in a summer season. We can't see frog, snake, snail in winter season. Also write mosquito. Okay, basically mosquito and other insects are mostly available in summer season, because in that summer season they have the suitable temperature to adapt. Okay, so that's why we have seen frog, snakes, snail, mosquito most in summer season. In which season? Summer season. But we can't see these kinds of animals in winter season. Okay, so these are known as seasonal animals. Okay, in the cold temperature they go for winter sleep. In a cold temperature they go for winter sleep, that is known as hibernation. Okay, long sleep or winter sleep like a is a hibernation mancha. Okay, hibernation, winter sleep. They go winter sleep, or it is called long sleep. Okay, these animals remain active and feed. Okay, they hunt other animals and they eat food in summer season, but they are go hibernation in winter season. Okay, so let's see, they find one place and stay sleep like a dead animal. Okay, 6 months they active and 6 months they live like a dead animal. Okay, so these are the animals which are easily found in summer season. Okay, these are the animals which are found in the summer season. Okay, when summer arrives they wake up and come out. Otherwise they sleep or they go to the hibernation. If they do not go for sleeping, their blood become cold and they maybe die. So that's why they need to sleep. Okay, they need to go hibernation. We can't see snake, snail, frog, mosquito in winter season because they need to sleep to warm their blood. Okay, otherwise they will be die. That's why these animals are cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals. Okay, because they do not change their blood temperature according to the surrounding. That's why they are called cold-blooded animal. The snake come out of the ground when the earth is hot. Okay, have you ever seen an earthworm coming out of the ground during rainfall? Why does it come out when it is rain? Because that rain fills its home. Okay, so that's why they come out of the soil. Okay, and some of the animals are seen during night. Okay, let's learn it. let's talk about the animals which can seen in night. Okay, some animals appear at night. Some animals appear at night. Okay, some animals appear at night means some animals active at night. Just for example, let's learn. Have you ever seen the animals like bat, owl during daytime? No, we can't see them during the daytime. Why? Because they are active at night. Okay, the bat or owl could not see during daytime. Okay, they only see during the night time. That's why they are active at night. They are not seen during the daytime. They can see their prey and enemies in a dim light. That's why they can appear only at night. Okay, they can appear or they can see their enemies or their prey, their food during in dim light. Okay, that's why they are active at night. They have better hearing capacity than other animals. Okay, they have better hearing capacity than other animals. Okay, they can hear a soft sound, but we can't hear the soft sound. हामीले सुन्न नसकेको sound. Okay, we human beings सुन्न नसकेको sound अथवा other animals सुन्न नसकेको sound चाहिँ कसले सुन्न सक्छ? Bat and owl. Bat and owl. Okay, these are the example of the animals which are active at night or appear at night. Okay, so those animals which are active at night are known as nocturnal animal. Nocturnal. Okay, so examine what is nocturnal animal. Then you have to write those animals which are active at night are called nocturnal animals. Okay, some insects also active at night, such as moth, butterfly also appear at night. Okay, so moth are butterflies like insect. Moth are butterfly like insect. They are not much colorful as butterfly. They are simple white in color. Okay, they have dull color and the body is hairy than the butterflies. Okay, moth are basically like a butterfly, but they do not have the different colors as the butterfly have. Okay, they have dull color. They have what? They have dull color or they have what? White color. We have seen that moth and butterfly like type during in a night time. Okay, some insects like cockroach, okay, they also active at night. Okay, so these are the some example of nocturnal animals. So nocturnal animals means those animals which are active at night. Clear all of you? Okay, so in this way our class 3 animals and their surrounding chapter has been ended. So before leaving, I would like to give some homeworks for you. So please note it down as a homework. Okay, please note it down as a homework, students. So write down the homeworks, all of you. I will tell you the homeworks. Okay, write any 2 characteristics of animals that are found in cold places. Let me start homework. Write any 2 characters of cold climate animals. Okay, 2 character लेख्नुस् cold climate animals को, and write any 2 important characters of camel. Write any 2 characters of camel. Okay, these are the homeworks for you. Okay, thank you class. This much for today. We will see you in next class. For till now, bye bye.